Hello and welcome back to the concluding part of the chocolate bread recipe. So we can say that this is the chocolate dough. I just brought it out from the freezer. You can see that it has tripled in size. So the next thing is for you to place it inside your lubricated baking pan, and then you egg wash. So the previous video the concluding part of the last video was actually when I wanted to place it inside the freezer, and now bringing it out after some hours, you can see that it has increased in size despite the fact that it was in the freezer. So after placing it in your baking pan, you egg wash and you dress it up. This is just a form of aesthetics. So the first ingredient that I used as my dressing was a coconut shaft. It was a baked coconut shaft. So you can also use milk. So I used milk, I used sugar. So you can use anything as aesthetics. So that is why it is homemade bread. You can come up with your own style, creativity, anything that you can use. So you can use anything for your aesthetics. So here we go. So I'm going to show you how to bake with oven. I'll be baking with oven in this video. So you set your oven to 150 degrees C. As you can see, you preheat the oven. My oven has been preheated already. So this is just to show you how to set it, and then you place your bread dough inside your baking and inside your oven, then cover it up and allow it to bake for 45 minutes, maximum of 45 minutes. And after baking, look at the beautiful result that we've got. You can see that the bread was succulent, it was beautiful. So I'll look forward to you making your own practicals. So that is all for the chocolate bread class. I promise you, if you try this bread recipe, you're going to really love it. So that will be all for the chocolate bread making class. So I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.